Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And I'm gonna be, because like I said, being that the holidays is right around the corner, I thought, I really don't get my nails done, but I thought I'll be right back. Like I said, since the holidays is right around the corner, I don't really do my nails. So I thought I'd make a video with me like doing my nails and stuff like that. And it's a few things that I have to show you guys. This is cool. The cuticle nipper is cool and all, but cause we know how expensive these cuticle nippers could be at the beauty supply. But the girl at the beauty supply put me on to this tool. This tool only cost me like what, $1 and some change. And it's so convenient. Basically, trim is for your cuticles versus, like, and it's more safer if you don't feel comfortable using the actual cuticle nipper, which sometimes I really don't like for my toes. Like I be having a whole bunch of dead skin, like real deep in my toes. So the cuticle nipper is perfect because it really, you gotta, with my toes, you really gotta dig underneath and pull that dead skin up. But honey, we get into it because and for this holiday I'm gonna be doing my nails pink. And yeah. Oh, and another tool for you guys that have, because sometimes when you go to the nail salon and they scrape with that little it's like a grater, but it's like a flat grater, and they scrape the bottom of your feet. You don't need that. You could get you I think it's called a pumice or something like that. You could get you one of these, throw some soap on it, scrub your feet, the bottom of your feet, and it takes off like all the dead skin that's laying on top of your foot, like the bottom of your foot, and it makes your feet super super soft. When I, like, for my feet, I don't need to do, you don't have to go unless you got real thick skin. That's what I don't like about that little scraper, that is like a scraper where they scrape the dead skin off your feet. The only thing I don't like about that is it makes when your skin grow back on your feet, it grow back all thick, and I don't like that. Because I feel like for a female, for a woman should be, her feet should be nice, smooth, like butter. And this pumice, like I said, for me, I don't have to do much scrubbing with my feet because my feet is not that, the bottom of my feet is not that thick. Thank God. But yes, I'm gonna polish my nails and I'm gonna bring you guys the finish of it. Hey guys, I'm back with the finish of my nails, and this is how they look. Okay, you can't really see them, but this is how they look. They like a light pink. Um, I probably could have did a better paint job. That's why I say I don't really like painting my nails. I should have done my toes first before I did my nails. But get into it, bitch, because I used this nail polish. Is a RK by Kiss. Yeah, RK by Kiss HD nail polish. And this is the bottle that it comes in. I'm gonna make this ring just a little. And this is what it looks like for you, those of you who can see that. Okay. If I tilt it, then you can see it better. But that's the bottle that it comes with. The top coat, now you can see my nails a little better. Yeah, they look. I tried. I'm probably gonna do them again, or probably put like some stamps over it and kind of like, yeah, a different design, or probably put a design over it. I don't have my little design thing, but and I put my top coat that I put is garlic nail developer hardener with garlic oil, garlic extract, and vitamin E, and it's by Nutrien or something like that. And it's yes. Okay, yeah, Nutrien. This is the bottle that it comes in. It has, this is the ingredients it has on the back. Let me zoom in. That's the ingredients I have on the back. Yeah, my nails, as y'all can see how they look. I tell you, I don't really, because, and then on top of it, it don't help because my nails are short. And you know what what I should have did? I should have put like this, I think I have it in my bag, but I should have put my little thing that I put around my cuticles so I won't go outside the lines. But I wasn't thinking, I was just trying to get my nails, like do my nails and stuff like that. But I'm not too much tripping. I'm a bring y'all another video, or probably take a picture of it or something. But I'm not tripping too much over my nails because I could always kind of like put a design over it. So I'm not really tripping over it. Plus my nails are short. Like they, for some reason my nails grow to a certain length and then they break off or something like that. But yeah, long, but in my hands get real dry because I always wash my hands a lot. So I have to keep, like I said, my coconut oil on hand because my hands get dry a lot. Like my hands get extras, like super dry. But and it be in the creases, not so much. That's crazy because it don't be my skin that get dry. It be like in the creases. But excuse me guys, I'm like out of my mind. I'm tired. But I am loving this look. I am loving it. But yes, thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you follow my Instagram, you could find pictures of the finish of my nails and my toes on my Instagram. So thank you so much again for supporting. Like, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.